Yo, what is up, you guys? Oh my god, I cannot believe I got this set for, well, super cheap. It's like $4, super big. This is the box. This is my hand. My hands are super big. But yeah, 200 aircraft carrier. Yeah, that's the front. This is the downside. They show you the length is 47 centimeters and the height is 27 centimeters. And then at the back, the extra designs. There you go. This is one of the biggest sets. 508 pieces, 2 figures and 2 missiles. So yeah, let's go open this up. It's gonna be epic. I even brought a lot of Ziploc bags because I know we ain't gonna fit this in small Ziploc bags. Okay, looks like this is an old set. It's not the new version because I don't see any stickers. So let's go. Oh, this, I feel it. Oh. Okay, so this is one box. Oh wow, it has a lot of boxes. I like it. Here is the next box. And yeah, that seems to be it. We got 2 boxes. Ooh, what's inside the box? Duh, more Lego pieces. Oh, 2 big bags right there. This is... Okay, this is how you build it, I guess. What's this? 2, 4, 5, 6, 10. The instructions manual. This video is gonna take long. Here's the next box. It says 3072. So this is the, I don't know, second box or something. Because the other one says 3071, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 3071. And boom. Look! It has 826 because, you know, it reminds me of 826. What does it remind? Oh yeah, the set number 826. I was gonna say that definitely. So this is gonna be a very long Lego building. So I guess let's go. I don't know what's the first bag I'm gonna open. This is a lot of pieces. Yeah, I guess let's get with it. I'll just skip that. Yeah, this is very old. This is not a new version. It doesn't have the new Enlighten sticker. This is very old. But the pieces are still in there. There's spring lock. So this is spring loaded. More pieces. More, and more. Okay. Just open it up, basically. Oh gosh, oh gosh! That was a bad idea. Has like these airplane, which is cool, I guess. Oh, I don't wanna speed run this, because I wanna, you know, appreciate the feeling of unboxing a very big Enlighten set. It's unboxing like a real big Lego set, but unfortunately I got none of those. A big. Where's the instructions? Seconds into the video and I lost the instructions. Just kidding, I got it for you. I saw in other shop that this is like super expensive, like over 1,000 pesos, which is like $10. Got this for $4. from a Filipino seller as well, which is nice. Oh, I love these pieces. You can take them apart, but they're already built. That's why it's not good if you pick it apart. I guess that's how it is. So the medium bag, and then let's move to the smaller ones. Got mini boat, which is nice to get. Very hard piece to get. Very rare. So boom. Do you want me to time lapse this? I think you guys want me to time lapse this. I guess I must time lapse this. Yeah, first let's open it all and then I'll just time lapse it. Oh my god, I almost cut my finger. Be careful around the cutters. If you're not a teenager or you need adult supervision, just use scissors. Okay, don't use cutters. Don't be irresponsible like me, because being irresponsible is a bad thing to do. Just like how society tells us. It's taking so long. This is a lot. This is definitely a lot, and it'd be super bad if I lose at least like one piece. Oh shit! Profanity is bad, guys. Don't be like me. Don't be profanity. Profanity is bad. This is gonna take so long. I didn't imagine the time, man. So it's already at 7 minutes. Let's build this thing. So I'm gonna pause it and then make another video. Okay, let's go. Let's build this. Let's go, guys. Okay, first part, we gotta get the big two big ones, or two. Yeah, I think two small ones, and then that's 6. Let's remove the big parts away. So this is the 6. Is this 6? No, this is not a 6. Okay, this is a 6. So line them up and then get a very long one. This one? Right. So, okay, enough to cover not everything. But it's okay. And then we got one. It's gonna be a very cool set after build. And then what's that? What? So we need a railing. Another plastic part. Where is the railing? Here you go. It looks white in the picture, but it's not. So, yeah, it's not. Let's add wrong part. It should be a bit bigger. Oh, okay. Let's get okay. 3. This one hasn't. I guess it's this part since can't find anything else. I guess it's this. So two. Now we need small parts. This is gonna take so long. I'll just show you guys the end product. It's gonna take so long. Anyway, take care and yeah, I'll see you later. Wait, okay. And there it is, guys, after long excruciating hours of back pain because I was building this in the floor. It's finally done. It's finally over. I'll just show you this side because this is the much more important side. Nothing on the other side, it's just this. Yeah, first I'll go with the figures. You have a SWAT boat. Here's the figure. And then here's the other one. They have both blue pants, but this one has a black cap and this one has a blue beret. Then we got this pieces like we call that safety thingies. Safety thingies. What the heck? I don't know. Maybe traffic cones in the sea. Then we got four airplanes. They're not Lego though, but they use Lego wheels like this one. But I don't know about this one though. There's four of them. One of which is black, blue, and white, and this one's like black, silver, and gray. And then, of course, we got the Enlighten flag. Always good to check. So let's take out the airplane. I like the way here, 826 signifying the set number, 826. I like that line. I like this. Oh wait, I put it in the wrong side. Should be down here, okay? Should be down here. Just forgot to put it in the right side. But it doesn't matter, it's still there, it's still good. Okay. It should have been better if this was yellow, because it was yellow in the instruction and it matches this, but I guess it's okay. The lights were also supposed to be yellow, but they turned out to be like some kind of lime green or some kind of neon. But it's fine. Here is the radar. It doesn't spin from the top. It only spins from the bottom. Just like that. There's a missing piece here, that's why this one can be moved a bit, but that's the only thing they're missing. We got another spinning thing here, another smaller radar type of thing. The hardest thing to build here wasn't the boat, it wasn't the carrier itself, but it was this was a pain to build, especially this one. The last parts were so hard. So yeah, that's basically it. In the bottom there's some wheels, as you can see right there. This does go, okay, let's this does go, it can go forward and backward. It can't go to the sea. So there's this gear right here that turns whenever you turn the car, but it didn't connect it, but here it is while it's spinning, so it just makes it spin. That's it. That's the gimmick. There's a gear here that makes the wheel spin and this spin. So when it spins, it's supposed to spin, but I don't want to bore you guys with that one. So next, let's go to the other play features, as from the airplanes that can move with wheels. We have this back entrance right here that can be opened using this simple build right there. Then we got 3 open missiles that can go up and down, so you can forge up or down. Oh gosh, I should take that up and down, up and down. So you see this button right here, this activates the missile which are hidden in here. You can open this up freely, boom, or you could press this and then they open up, like boom. If you look closer in the gun, it's actually spring locked as well. So when you it is spring locked as well. If it focuses here, I'll show you. See, this has spring lock as well. It was just locked so that the thing couldn't escape. We got these parts as well. So
probably the best thing about this build is, of course, the play features. A kid can play with this all day long. If of course, imagination. And me itself, if I was a kid back again, for being a kid, I would definitely play with this. Pretty fun. I like this windows right here that has the missiles, and then this part as well. That was the hardest part to build, but it doesn't matter. It's pretty cool nonetheless. And yeah, that's about it about this set. Here's the dudes. Here's the traffic cones and the other planes. So yeah, did you guys like this set? By the way, this part right here is spring loaded, so when you push, boom, comes out spring loaded. So yeah, I hope you guys liked that video. I didn't show you me building because this literally took 4 hours. It took me 4 hours to build this whole thing just to remove it back again. But it's I gotta do what I gotta do. So yeah, anyway, that's gonna be it. Take care and peace. Well, I'm gonna make a thumbnail. How do you make a thumbnail? Oh wait, I gotta